Here we have the incredible Nebula Cosmos 4K laser projector, and I'll be showing you guys right after this. So today we're taking a look at the Cosmos Laser 4K by Nebula, an incredible 4K portable projector. Before we get started though, smash the like button if you're a fan of home projectors, and let me know in the comments what your thoughts on this one are, and if you haven't already then hit subscribe now so you don't miss a thing in the future. So full disclosure before we start, this video is sponsored by Nebula as they've sent me the projector for free and they are allowing me to keep it, but that of course does not change my opinions. So with the Cosmos Laser 4K projector, focus seems to have been on a portable home projector system that still provides the best results, and I have to say they've done a great job. We've got the carry handle on the top and the projector only weighs in at 10.4 pounds or 4.7 kilos, and its design is made so that you can just place it on a table or desk, or you can also use a stand or a tripod. It's got the standard photography thread on the bottom so you can easily attach it to any equipment that you already have, and setup could not be any easier with its gridless auto keystone correction as well as autofocus. If you place it down and point at your screen, it's going to automatically straighten the image and then focus within 3 seconds. It also comes with auto obstacle avoidance and screen alignment, and of course you can fine tune these or manually set if you prefer. We get a 4K streaming dongle which can just be placed in the back, and then it's got a cover to go over it, and this gives us access to the full Android TV. Now when it comes to the specs, we've got 5000 light source lumens or 2400 ISO lumens, and this projects a great amount of light. I haven't quite finished my projector setup and it's currently below a skylight where I haven't installed a blind, and even in daylight with the light coming directly above, I still get a good bright picture, although as with all projections it's much better in the dark. I also currently have some screen issues with curling at the sides, but thankfully with this projector I can also project directly onto my grey wall and I still get a bright and clear image. We don't need external speakers either, thanks to two 10-watt full range speakers and two 5-watt tweeters. While a soundbar or surround sound are always going to be a better option, these speakers do a good job when being used as a portable projector. So if we start the projector up, you can see we've got a built-in Android TV thanks to the 4K streaming dongle placed inside the back. On the front we get plenty of recommendations, and of course being Android TV we can install all of our favourite media apps. Now it comes with some pre-installed popular streaming services like YouTube, Disney+, Netflix, Prime Video and more, and of course you can install any Android apps that you wish. While there are lots of issues with Netflix not working on certain devices, that's not the case with this projector, and we get a fully working Netflix without restrictions. We get 12GB of internal storage, which is plenty for installing all of your media applications, and of course we've got the HDMI and USB ports on the back for those of you that do want to use separate input devices or hard drives. The remote is a pretty basic remote, but it's got all the buttons we need with shortcuts for the most popular streaming apps. It's also a Bluetooth remote, which is great as you don't have to point it at the projector to use, so the projector is mounted behind my seat and people will typically point at the screen to control, and thanks to this Bluetooth remote this still works perfectly. Open TT Technology YouTube.
Playing TT Technology on YouTube.
Now I'm sure most of you have used Android TV, so we're not going to go through the whole OS, and instead we'll look at the specific projector settings. Under picture mode we can control the brightness and choose from plenty of predefined picture modes including standard, vivid, soft, movie and custom. We can change the aspect ratio between 16:9, 16:10, 4:3, or just have it on auto like I have here. We can also turn on and off HDR. We also have plenty of audio modes to choose from as well, and we've got standard, music, movies, news and custom, and we also have settings for those of you using Dolby Arc. Now under image correction we've got the one-click focus and keystone correction along with the manual options as well. The auto settings are automatically going to configure it for you, but personally I keep autofocus on but manually set my keystones. We've also got a Bluetooth speaker mode if you don't want the projection and simply want to use this as a Bluetooth speaker, and then that's pretty much it for the custom settings. So now for the most important aspect, the picture quality. I have to say the Cosmos 4K has blown me away with just how good the image quality is. When watching 4K HDR content, it looks stunning, and it can even be enjoyed in daylight thanks to the 2400 ISO lumens output. Of course, it is much better in the dark as this gives you deeper blacks and much better contrast. But with this, I can enjoy all my favorite content on the 100-inch screen, and everything just looks stunning. We've got bright, vibrant and accurate colors and still some very good sharpness. Now the audio is also good coming from the Cosmos 4K speakers, so we'll just take a look at the audio samples now. Now next up, I tried some 1080p content instead of the 4K, and it still looks great. In general, projectors don't seem to suffer from pixelation the same as a TV, and 1080p on this projector looks much better than 1080p on my 75-inch TV. Next up, I got the Xbox Series X out and tried some gaming with this projector, and it was incredible. You can enjoy all your favorite games in stunning 4K and a much bigger screen than I'm used to using. I tried a few different games from FIFA to Forza and Warzone, and the 100-inch screen really does add a lot more immersion to the game. Overall, I have to say I'm very impressed with the projector. Whether you need it to be portable or just want to use it as your standard home theater system, it's a great choice for sure. With the full Android TV integration, we don't have to worry about plugging any medias into the projector, and the picture quality is just incredible. I've now turned my garage into a bit of a home theater / gaming room, and I look forward to getting a lot more use out of the projector. Now when it comes to the packaging, as always, Nebula haven't disappointed. We've got nice packaging, and when we open it up, we first get the accessories kit, and this includes the manual, the power cable, the remote control, the 4K streaming dongle and some batteries, and then next up we've got the Cosmos 4K itself, and that's pretty much it. Now of course, for those of you interested, I've placed the links down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check them out now. The Cosmos Laser 4K is $2,199 for the USA, £1,999 for the UK, and then €2,199 for the EU. For those that don't need 4K, there's also the Cosmos Laser 1080p, and this is $1,699 for the USA, £1,499 for the UK, and €1,699 for the EU. So hopefully I've covered everything today, but of course if there is anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.